The most common mistake made by a lot of YouTube creators is to give up on their channel just because their channel is not doing well, or their channel is not getting enough visibility as they expected from the channel, without first of all looking into their YouTube settings, or rather their channel settings, to see if they are actually doing something wrong. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 6 important settings to turn on in your channel to increase the visibility and the growth of your YouTube channel. And I promise you that by the end of this video, that you are going to be able to fix that low view glitch, or rather that low view issue that you're having on your channel. And please make sure that everything that I'm saying in this video, that you jot them down so that you can implement them on your channel, so your channel can grow better and grow faster. And please, if you have any question by the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply go to your YouTube studio with your PC browser or with your mobile browser on desktop mode. And then once you've gotten to your YouTube studio, simply go to settings and then come to channel. Then you are going to see your country of residence. That's the first sentence that you need to change. Make sure that you put your country here, because some people, they want to play smart. They want to put some other country, like some people in Nigeria, they want to put United States. So that's you trying to play smart, and that might actually affect you during monetization. So always make sure that you put your exact country here. It's very, very important. The next settings that you need to look into is to add keywords to your settings. As you can see below this country of residence, you see a section for keywords. So what you need to do here is add words that you know that actually represent what your channel is all about, or rather words that actually represent the kind of videos that you make, to help the YouTube algorithm to better understand what your channel is all about. This is very important. So as you can see on mine, you see things like tutorial videos, easy tutorial videos, YouTube tips, YouTube growth, important tips, get 4,000 watch hour, grow faster on YouTube. You can see the things that are on my own. So this is actually very important. So make sure that you put things like this on your keywords as well, so that YouTube will know what your channel is all about easily. The next settings that you need to look into has to do with selecting your audience. So to do this, move from basic info to advanced settings. So once you've gotten to advanced settings, you are going to see this part here that is actually asking you about your audience. So you will see yes, made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. So I would advise that you actually put it as no, it's not made for kids. That's if your videos that you are making, you want it to reach a larger audience, and your videos are actually not made for kids, then you can use this. But if your videos are made for kids, then you put yes, it's made for kids. Especially if you are posting videos like cartoon videos and stuff like that, and you know that it's for kids, then you put it as yes, it's made for kids. That's the only situation when you can put it as yes, because the reason why YouTube is doing this, they are trying to keep the YouTube space safe for kids, so that kids will not be seeing the things that they are not supposed to see. So that's very important. So make sure that you come here and pick your target audience, and then once you are done with that, remember to always click save. The first settings that you need to look into has to do with keeping your YouTube channel safe, because on your YouTube channel, I will advise that you do not ever use a contact info email that actually is the email that you use to create your YouTube account. Because if you are to do this, hackers will be able to get access to your email, and then they will start trying to hack your YouTube account. So if you are to ever put a contact info email on your YouTube channel, always make sure that email is not the one that you use to create your account, so you'll be safe from hackers. So in order to put this contact info email, all you have to do is just go to customization, and then on this profile section, just scroll down. You are going to see a place for contact info. You can see it right here, contact info. So over here, just put any email that that is not connected to your YouTube channel, or rather the one that you did not use to create your YouTube channel, so that hackers won't start trying to hack your account. So that's very important. And please do remember to subscribe to my channel, because I just saved you guys from being hacked. So remember to subscribe to my channel. And then once you've done that, click on publish. Very, very important, because if you don't click on publish, it's not going to work. Now the next settings to look into is the future eligibility settings. In order to get there, just click on settings, and then once you've clicked on that, then go into channel, and then once you've got into channel, go to future eligibility. So over here, you are going to see the standard features, intermediate features, advanced features. So I would advise that you enable all the 3 features here to make sure that your channel is fully verified. And these features includes a lot of stuff like being able to make videos over 15 minutes and then upload them on your channel, being able to go live on your channel, which is live streaming, as you can see here, being able to use costume thumbnails. There are a lot of features here that you need to activate. So make sure that you come here and enable every single thing that you are seeing here. Another reason why you should enable these things is because once you've enabled all these things, YouTube will know that okay, your channel is not a bot channel. They will know that you are a real human, because one of the things that they normally do in this advanced feature when you are about to enable it is that they are going to send you a mail, and then once you click on that mail, they will scan your face to confirm that you are human before they will enable these advanced features. These advanced features, yeah, you can see it over here. Let me even click on it. So as you can see it over here, you can either enable this one with video verification, valid ID. So you can see what they are trying to do is confirm that you are actually a human and not a bot. So make sure that you enable all these things. It's very, very important so that your channel can start doing better, and YouTube will not be treating your channel like a bot channel anymore. The next settings that you need to look into is your upload default settings. So once you've gotten to this upload default section, then you can add some things to your description that you want to always show on all your videos, or you can add something on your title that you want to always show on all your titles whenever you are about to upload, to make uploading easier for you. And then you scroll to the to the bottom, because that's not what I actually want to talk about on this video. What I want to talk about is this visibility. So make sure to not put your video on public in visibility. Always put it on unlisted, because you don't want your video to go public immediately once you are done uploading it, because you need to give YouTube a lot of time, like some few hours, to totally understand what your video is all about and to analyze your video data, so that once that video is to go public later, or rather after some few hours, once you switch it to public, is going to be able to push that video to the right audience and start giving you views immediately, because it have already analyzed all the data about that video. So make sure that you are using unlisted and no longer public on your channel. It's going to help you really good to get a lot of views. And then once you've done this, remember to click save, because if you don't click save, it's not going to work. There are 4 upload mistakes that you need to avoid when uploading as a YouTuber that can actually ruin your channel. So I would suggest that you watch this video next after this video to learn those those mistakes that you need to be avoiding, so that you won't cause issue to your channel, or rather cause harm to your channel. I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.